People used to think that to be a technician, you had to be skilled with your hands. Like, you had to be naturally gifted at being a mechanic. But I hate to break it to you, I'm living proof that you don't. So when I was graduating high school at 17 years old, I had 3 great passions in mind. One was automotive. I just loved cars. And the other 2 were acting and music. My family has an automotive shop. It was like a natural fit. As senior technician, I'm most accountable for all of the car service that happens here at the garage. Usually what I'm doing these days is inspections or specifically diagnosis for a problem. That's largely what I do. Find those problems and give them their options on repair. The other half of my day is training the apprentices and ensuring that they are constantly growing and moving forward. So right around early 2000s, cars drastically changed in what they're made of and how they work. Suddenly, being a mechanic was no longer sufficient. Now, as a technician, not only do I have that, but I'm now responsible for knowing how computer networks work. This includes optic fiber cables. That's in your car and you didn't even know it, and I have to learn how to work with that. But to this day, I'm really proud of the fact that there's never been a single car I couldn't figure out. Not once have I ever said, I can't figure that out, go try someone else. In 16 years. I now see that I actually make a big difference for a whole family's life. Every car that goes on my hoist, I walk underneath it and I make sure that this car is actually roadworthy and it's safe. There is no one person who becomes an automotive technician. If you are interested in looking at cars and being a service guy of some sort, it is possible, no matter what other people say.